guys, it's Moggy's here and welcome back to another banger video. Not today, we're gonna do a Fidget spinner video. Not today guys, we were gonna do the $1,000 Fidget spinner versus the $5 Fidget spinner. Yeah, we're gonna do the challenge, but it's not really a challenge guys. It's only guys a fight. But yes, so now we're gonna do it. And yeah, first thing first guys, this is my new Fidget spinner as you already know. And yeah, let's do this. So yeah guys, so now first thing first, let's go down to the $5 Fidget spinner. It still work, and this one too, it still work too, and it's amazing. And today guys, we were gonna do the $5 versus $1,000 Fidget spinner. So yeah guys, let's start with the $5 one. And yeah, so let's see guys. So I have my phone here. Let's see guys if the timer, let's race. And yeah, go to the stopwatch. So guys, so now I have my stopwatch here. And I'm gonna click start in 1, 2, 3, go. There it is. Oh my god. Okay, 10 seconds. My god. Holy moly. Okay, 22 seconds. And now it's up. It's been like 28 seconds and 26. So that is the time. And yeah, so it's 28. Let's reset that and let's get it to the $1,000 one. And click start in 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see guys, who wins this round. Holy moly. Guys, it's too loud actually. I think this is the winner. Yeah, it is the winner. Because this one is 28.26 and this one is about like 30 now. And this is the winner, the $1,000 one. And it's 43 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, it stopped. It's been like 15 seconds. It's so close guys to it, like 1 minute. Oh my god. Okay guys, so the winner of this round is, drama please, this one, loser one, get out there. Okay guys, so the winner of this challenge is this one. So let's get on to this round 2. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the round 2 of this challenge. So yeah, so let's start with this one because this is the winner. So they were gonna fight each other. It looks crazy, but yeah. Spin that too. Wait a minute. Spin this too. So are you ready for fight? Oh my god, this is the winner! Holy moly, okay. Next round. Spin it. There we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is the winner again because this stopped first and this one stopped last. So this is the winner, guys. Holy moly! Okay, guys. round. Okay, this is the last one. So yeah guys, spin this too. So I'm gonna grab this. Oh my god. There we go. Ready, set, go. Okay, no one reached there. So we'll spin again. Spin this one too. Yeah guys, so this is the winner, but this is the winner of round 2 because he have 2 wins and he have only 1 win. So, oh my god, yes, it's a tiebreaker. Round 3, this is intense. Okay, so let's go with the round 3 guys. So this one win in round 1 and this one wins in the round 2. So this is the last round. Who wins this game is probably is my favorite. Let's get on to it. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is like a fidget spinner trick. So when I grab, example guys, when I grab this, so it's not grab, it grabs. No point, but when I grab this is the winner. Oh my god. Okay, this one first. $5 one because he win in round 2 in the last round. Do this. Okay, did not grab this one. So close. Okay, this one. It's so close. Oh my god, it stopped. Okay, it didn't work. Oh my god. So close. It is so hard. Holy moly. Oh my god. Okay. That is one. If this did work, this is my favorite. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I didn't grab it, so I'm gonna do it again. So the winner is this one. So this is my favorite, guys, because this is my first fidget spinner. I use it all the time. So this one is the loser. Get out of this. Okay. Oh my god, that is so. Guys, actually, guys, this metal fidget spinner. When I go to my phone, it's so loud, but when this one, this is metal, guys. And guys, so this is the winner of this challenge. It's not really a challenge, but I'm gonna call it challenge. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. So this is the winner of it. So you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, smash the like button, give it a big thumbs up, and I already said it, but subscribe to my channel, guys. We are so close, guys, to 400 subscribers. We are now currently, guys, at 352 subscribers. And guys, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Peace. Peace.
Here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.